Domestic infidelity is the most devastating thing that is often difficult to forgive. Dealing with a dishonest spouse or partner is equally difficult, since the feeling already appears to be encased in disappointment and fury. Even though you want to express your disappointment by venting your emotions, be sure you don't make hasty actions. When you discover your partner is cheating, there are 5 ways you may do without sacrificing your self-esteem. 1. Control yourself. Don't merely break up with your lover after discovering that he or she is cheating because of infidelity. First and foremost, strive to keep yourself and your emotions under control while giving yourself time to clear your thoughts. Also, make sure the proof of your partner's infidelity is reliable so that it may be cited as a compelling justification later. 2. Express feelings to each other. When your emotions are more calmer and more durable, you can begin by spending quality time together listening to your partner's explanations and sharing your feelings. It may be difficult for you to be lethargic enough to listen to your partner's explanation as a victim of infidelity, because it appears that you are boasting. This communication, on the other hand, is critical. The outcomes of your chat with your partner can be useful for both of you in terms of self-evaluation. 3. Consider the relationship. The next step is to decide whether or not to continue the relationship after venting the contents of each other's sentiments. Whether to stay together or not. It's difficult to consider the relationship when coping with an unfaithful spouse. However, this must be decided firmly in order to avoid ongoing drama. Please forgive each other if you already feel this way and want to mend your relationship. If the error is unacceptable to you, though, don't hesitate to leave it alone. 4. Try to forgive. Whatever decision you and your partner make as a result of the consequences of infidelity, try to forgive one another as much as possible. It is a sensible method to become a better person to forgive for faults that occurred, even if it resulted in their relationship being unsaved. Begin by forgiving yourself, then move on to forgiving the spouse who has betrayed you. 5. Move on. It's better if you change whether you're continuing or breaking up post-affair. In order to have a better relationship, you must change. Make the intended and agreed upon behavioral adjustments in the shape of attitudes and concrete acts. It's difficult to deal with an unfaithful partner and then try to move on. However, because you recognize that you are worth more than being harmed, this strategy is called supportive.